Welcome again to Bodging with Brian. Here we are in Maidstone at the FFX exhibition, and I really hope that we're going to see some stuff that we can be reporting on in the channel. See you in a minute. We are on the Makita stand. Going to have a good look around because Danny wants a radio, Gab radio, would you believe, and Mark wants 2 batteries and a charger. So looking to see what deals are around. Still on the Makita stand, and we are going for the amazing double charger. 51 quid, not bad. 2 3-amp batteries at 39 quid each. It's an unusual product like we've seen on the Makita stand. It's a battery powered truck, and over here a battery powered wheelbarrow. Not seen one of them before. This is the 10.8 or 12 volt version of the Bosch tool. I've got the 4-amp hour battery. This is going to be ideal when I'm cutting hinges on door frames. So I bought one. Report on it later.
Perfectly camouflaged, the Brian roams the DeWalt stand in DeWalt colours.
I'm on the Stanley stand, and look at these folding saws, twin pack, just 20 quid. I'm tempting myself, and I might come back for them at the end of the show. Milwaukee stand at the moment, and look what I found, a SDS 12 volt Milwaukee, and it's a proper SDS. This one's got the 4-amp hour battery. I think that's brilliant. Not seen any of them, and the body only kit was 99 quid. Didn't think it was bad. Here we are on the Weir stand, and these are possibly the best engineered screwdriver bits, but I tend not to buy them because of expense and because I've used things too much. You know, so good stand, love to see the tools, not for me. We're in the car park. We've had quite a nice show. Had the bacon sandwich, and we bought the gear. And as you can see the Bosch trimmer that we spoke about, the radio, and of course the best thing of all is the Makita mug. Now, I promised you that we'd be showing you the bodgeometer on every, but since we're out in the field, we've had to be a bit more inventive. So let me show you the portable bodgeometer. And as you can see, if we stand out of the sun, 511 subscribers. So you non-subscribers who enjoy right off, no doubt, subscribe. Let's get it up now. Thank you again for watching.